PEI. PEI has wonderful, beautiful people, beautiful scenery, and of course, delicious seafood. Welcome to PEI, Canada, Mrs. Cotton Candy Adventures. Hi, my darlings, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. And you're probably wondering where I am at. I'm in Edmundston, New Brunswick, and I'm on my way. Well, we, my hubby and I, are on our way to PEI once again for 2025 road trip. And so yes, so I just wanted to come on and start the video. I'm going to do a little bit of vlogging. There's a few spots we're going to be going to that we haven't. This will be our 4th year in a row going to PEI, so we have a few more spots that we haven't seen yet that I'd like to hopefully be able to share with you. So come along with us to another PEI Mrs. Cotton Candy Adventures. Hope you're all doing well. Let's go for a PEI Cotton Candy Adventure road trip. Hi, my darlings. We made it back to Murray's. It's like a diner. Hopefully it's open. We went last year and it was great. They had great food. We had the Murray's burger, and I don't know if you guys remember, but we also had their pies are really good. So exciting. I love this place. We have to get some of these in Ontario, the Murray's. Welcome to Murray's, my darlings. Serving up home-cooked meals for 65 years. Seniors get 10% off. Look at, I'm not going to show the whole menu, but it's like a diner. That's great. That's so nice. Look at it. It's on the sit up. Welcome to Murray. We do. Welcome to Murray's. Diner. From the cold break. So this is a small loaded meat lovers poutine. Look at how big that is.
Hamburger, bacon, ham, gravy, french fries.
Wow. And here I got a roast beef sandwich this time.
And
look
cheese.
at that. Oh yeah, do the cheese pull.
The cheese pull?
Yeah.
The cheese pull.
Wow. And it comes with chips and pickle, and I ordered Caesar salad on the side.
It's like a grilled cheese, but it's still ready.
You can have that. And I also got Pepsi, and Rob got a chocolate milk. Sorry.
Garlic bread.
Was that what that is? Garlic bread. Oh. So my darlings, this is the old style cherry cheesecake that they make here at Murray's. Rob said the way his mother used to make it. So that's what he's having. Look at me. Lemon meringue. They make these pies here. Look at that.
Every pie you can think of.
Yeah. I love it.
And they make them on their own. They make them themselves.
Yes. They make them here. So yummy. Good morning, my darlings. We're having our breakfast here at the Edmundston Best Western. This is going to be our day 2 of driving. We got 5 hours to go and then hopefully be in Summerside, PEI. Just got some oatmeal there. Sausage and egg and orange juice. And there's our lovely hubby. So my darlings, we're on the 2nd day driving to try to get to PEI, and I don't know, you can't exactly see it, but I can. The Confederation Bridge, I think it's called.
Yes.
We're coming right up to it to cross over from New Brunswick to PEI. Oh, I'm so excited.
In a quarter of a mile, continue straight.
Here we go.
Long way across.
Watching their braking.
That is a long way across.
It's 15 minutes, I think, to get across this bridge. Anyways, I'm going to show you that. Meet you on the other side. Woohoo! To Summerside. PEI. Welcome to the Summerside Prince Edward Island, my darlings. We're going to spend a few days here at Summerside. I'm really looking forward to it. Come along with us. Summerside, PEI, Canada. So, my darlings, we have made it to Summerside, PEI, and we've made it to the Loyal Country Court Inn Resort, I think it's called. And this is our room. So just wanted to do you a quick little tour here. And I will save the last best bits for the end. We're just moving in because we are going to be here for a few days. And here's the bathroom. Okay, very nice bathroom. And then you have to come this way and look at this. We're on the second floor, by the way. It doesn't seem as, but we have a beautiful view of the water. Look at that right there. This is Summerside, PEI 2025. And we haven't been to this part of the island yet, so hopefully we get to experience some of the stuff here. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you. So far, so good. There's Summerside. Sunset has gone down here in PEI, Summerside. Just wanted to show you. Sorry, there's a glare. Oh. That's a better shot. There you go. It's gorgeous. Just beautiful. Good morning, my darlings. This is day 3 of our PEI trip of 2025. And today on the agenda, we are going to Whispering Hope Farm. It's a rescue farm.
Sanctuary, yeah.
Sanctuary. And we're going to do a little tour, I guess, with the farm animals. So I'm not sure how much I'm be allowed to film, but I'll try to take some pictures. Yes, my husband's got this funny looking thing back here. Anyways, I wanted to share with you the farm, so hopefully we'll be able to do that for today. So that's what's going on. Come join us at the Whispering Hope Farm. Looks like they're on Twitter at hashtag Whispering Hope Farm and on Facebook. Oops, sorry.
Oh, you're a cutie. Yes, you are. Just a beautiful little kitty. Hey?
And she actually just lost her mom last
Oh
week.
no.
So she's a little bit,
Gidget.
Sad.
she is a little bit not herself yet.
Do you try to pair up the animals?
I did, so her and her mom were on this side,
Yeah.
and then to it rainy on this side, so then as it happened, I opened it up because they're herd animals, right? So they like to feel connected to others.
Hi, Gidget.
Hey, Gidget.
Aww. Does she get any bigger than, or is that her size?
Yeah, that's her size. So
Oh,
she's
okay.
like almost 20.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah.
It's good.
How
I don't
long
have
do they
animals, 'cause
live for?
I'd be mauling
I
them
know,
and
yeah.
hugging them and. Sweet.
what was that?
Aw.
Was that her?
Yeah.
So, that is a good indication for you to take a nice big deep breath because she feels that you're holding your breath because you're a little bit nervous.
Okay, yeah.
So just take a couple of nice big deep breaths.
Yeah.
These guys are on at 3. So they're just
3 was
lots
Stuart.
to-
And what was
They got lots to learn. They're doing very well.
It's amazing how much they rely on people, eh?
Domesticated them, eh?
Yeah.
I know.
I
I fight with that, like in my head.
Yeah. It's kind of sad, but kind of.
I know. I
Yeah.
know. Like a dried
It's Rusty.
So
There
for
she
most
is,
them
yeah.
to,
Hey.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
especially in the winter. The winter they don't
Aw.
have
You're a sweetie. It's Rusty.
Hubby?
You coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, she probably, so
There she.
that's a good point to mention is whenever animals lie on their side like that, they're exposing all their organs, right? Their belly's up.
Yeah.
So it's like a trust
Trust.
thing too.
Yeah. Oh, you're such a
When you can get them to,
You're gonna get food.
If you kept feeding her and feeding her.
You wanna get the food?
Eating.
that's all pigs do.
Yeah.
You want the food?
If I had my home, I'd be like, yeah.
I know. And then they get so used.
Wouldn't go pick them up.
So we're here at Backwoods Burger, craft beer and cookhouse. After Whispering Hope Farm. And I will give you a review on that. We did have a wonderful time. Now we're going here. So we got the, what was it called? The ultimate dinner for 2. So this is the spinach dip. It comes with it. So the appetizer. Here's our burgers, and they're real burgers they make here. Comes with onion rings and some of these fries. And we're still eating that, it's wonderful. Another beautiful day here in Summerside, PEI, Canada. We had a lovely day going to Whispering Hope Farms. I just wanted to share with you when the sun's gone down. It's gorgeous.